welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, and press notification bell all para updated po kayo sa lahat ng aking video. For today's vlog guys, ayan, nagluto po ako ng mga simpleng gulay, pinasarap. At eto guys, ang ating ating chicken guys with oyster, light soya sauce, dark soya sauce, and of course ayan ang ating first recipe, ayan, with black fungus, and of course yung flower onion, yung stem nya guys, ayan, looks yummy. At ang pangalawang recipe natin guys, ang ating oyster with mushroom. Ayan. Stir fry din yan guys with of course garlic and with oyster sauce. Ayan. Simple lang guys. And ang ating third recipe is yung Baguio beans or French beans with minced pork. And of course we had the basil leaves guys. Ayan, nilagyan ko yung basil leaves yan guys. And with little bit of oyster sauce. At ang ating fourth recipe ay ang ating stir fry eggplant with sambal chili. Ayan. Of course with onion guys. Ayan. Ito lang po ang ating recipe for today. Simple recipe. Thank you guys for watching again. God bless.